Hi, good afternoon. It's time to explore some Indian food. You see here at the back of you see a restaurant by the name of Gandhiji. Let's see, how is this restaurant? Probably I'll just cross over and then we'll explore an Indian restaurant which is by the name of Gandhiji. You see here? Tandoori curry. So let's see how it is. So I will explore how much we have to spend to have an Indian food in Paris. It's very near to Galeries Lafayette, one of the biggest mall in Paris. So let me get into it and show you. I'll cross it from the crossing, the zebra crossing ahead, and I think we should be through in this restaurant in about a minute or so. Been a tiring day today. The weather is very good. Neither it's too cold, neither it's too hot. It's okay, perfect. Behind me it's Monoprix. So you see here, I can show it to you. It's Monoprix. It's like Reliance Retailer. Everywhere you find Monoprix here. I'm waiting for this red light to finish. Would we have the green light? Probably we'll cross. I am getting into the restaurant by the name of Gandhiji. So let's see how it is. It's front of me. Restaurant Indian Gandhiji's. This is very near to Galeries Lafayette. So if you happen to be in Galeries Lafayette, you should definitely look forward for this restaurant, and I'll tell you how it's the food. Okay. I'm entering into Gandhiji. See a nice restaurant. It's got free. I can see everything. Portrait of Modi ji as well. See here. This is the menu. This is the dishes. Very good. Thank you. Nice one, eh? Let's also capture. Oh, that's Matar Paneer.
Matar paneer, stuffed paratha,
Stuffed
on the side of
paratha.
onion.
And then the onion as well. I hope it's good.
And with me.
Thank you.